Hello and welcome everyone, MrCARman here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Mercedes Benz ML Class W164 and how you can easily change the engine oil and the oil filter within a few minutes and without jacking up your car and getting underneath the vehicle. Let's get started. As far as all the tools and parts that I use, I will have them linked down below, and here are the things that you're going to be needing. Mobil 1 0W40 oil. I have 2 jugs, they're 5 quarts each, and please make sure to check out your user's manual to see how much your particular ML model calls for. The oil filter wrench cap, a ratchet to connect to the oil filter wrench cap, a rag, and most importantly, our oil extractor pump. So now let's get underneath the hood of our Mercedes ML, and let me share with you guys on how easy it is to use this oil extractor pump and change your oil within a few minutes. So first we're going to remove the engine cover. And here are the 3 areas we're going to be focusing on. Here's our oil filter, the engine oil cap, and third is our engine oil dipstick. This is where we are going to remove our oil from, and as well as check our engine oil level. So remove your engine oil dipstick and make sure you have your rag close by. And then safely set this aside. Make sure it does not get dirty. Next, you're going to try and fit these tubings into the dipstick channel. So for my Mercedes ML, I know it's this one. So I'm going to insert it completely in. So once you insert it completely in, it should stop at a point, and that's where you're going to stop, and then grab your other adapter, this one right here. You're going to grab this side and connect it, and then connect this adapter right into here. And now all you have to do is just pump it 7-8 times, and that should start flowing all the engine oil out of your vehicle. And as you guys see, the engine oil started flowing out, and I'm just going to pump it a few more times. And that's it. And this particular canister right here is about 7.5 quarts, and as you guys are seeing, it's filling up very fast. It's taking out all the engine oil just with those 7-8 pumps that we did. And the tip I wanted to share with you guys on how you can have your engine oil flow out very quickly into your oil extractor pump is to make sure your engine is warmed up. So before you start your oil change, take it for a drive around your block for about 5-7 minutes, and then start your oil change. And the results are right here. As you guys saw, it just started filling up very quickly. And the second tip I wanted to share with you guys is at this time, open up your engine oil cap and just place it on the side. So at this time, my canister is almost filled up. I'm just going to unplug this adapter and put my rag around it just so we don't make a mess. And then I'm going to dispose of this oil properly, and then I'm going to come back, reconnect it, give it a few more pumps, and get all the remainder oil out. And as you guys are seeing now, even after pumping it up, the tube clears out within a matter of seconds. That means all the oil has been extracted out of our engine. So at this time, just pull out the tubing that you put into your dipstick channel, and again, make sure you have your rag close by, and just pull it out. We've gotten all the oil out, and now all we have to do is change our oil filter and add our new engine oil. Place your oil filter cap on top of the housing, and then with your ratchet, open up your oil filter housing. Make sure you have your rag close by, and then slowly lift up the housing and let the oil drip out just for a few seconds. And now we're going to safely take this out. Remove the 3 O-rings, 1, 2, 3, and also remove our old oil filter. And now I'm going to grab my new oil filter and the included O-rings. And then you can always just grab a little bit of old engine oil and just rub it around these O-rings just to lubricate them so they get on a lot easier. And lastly, insert your oil filter into place. And now the last step is to add our new engine oil. Place your funnel and add your new engine oil. So my particular ML350 with the M272 V6 engine calls for 8.5 quarts. I've added 8.5 quarts, and now I'm going to remove the funnel, reinstall the engine oil cap, and then reinsert your oil dipstick. And there you have it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy oil change on your Mercedes-Benz ML Class W164. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel, as I will be having a lot more videos on this Mercedes-Benz as well as my other vehicles. Thank you, and I'll catch you guys soon on my next video.